Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life and a very special video. Papa J, Brucey-Bonus is coming to stay with us for just a night actually. So I finished work early today, using up the rest of my leave for the year. And I'm actually just going to start prepping dinner. We're having dauphinoise potatoes with salmon and probably like a soy ginger glaze. I think Dad does like ginger, so I thought that might be reasonably nice, bit of ginger vibes. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to start prepping dinner now because then I need to go out and pick up from it's not a super local co-op actually. We've got a few co-ops that are nearer, but neither of them are stocking the new freeze cakes, or I should say frozen cheesecake. Well, no, they're still called freeze cakes, and they're surely. But anyway, they're from Please. Also, big up the cookie mill. Big up my stupid old face. It's not old, actually that's really my young face. My young, this is an old face, 30s. Yeah, 30s is the fact. So yeah, it should be interesting. I'm going to start prepping and chopping the potatoes now, which is a very interesting thing to show on a vlog. So I won't. And yeah, I think I'm basically rapidly running out of time before I then need to nip to Morrison's, get a couple of bits, and then pick up Dad from the train station. And then we're just going to have a bloody fun evening. So I hope you enjoy this cheeky little vlog. Chiefly among the more exciting things that will happen. I'll probably put the reaction in this video. It is going in Food Review UK as well. But a massive shout out to Adam and Becky, my friends in Canada, who, like, yeah, this is so crazy. So Dad, last year, said this.
There is another one, burnt almond, which they only seem to sell in Canada. For some reason, has never crossed the pond to UK.
Oh wow, no, I've never even heard of that one.
Lovely.
And if we pull out the fruck box, waiting in here for ages has been the burnt almond Cadbury. So they actually sent this to me to review with him. Yeah, so I'm very happy and excited to show him and get his reaction for that. I'm going to actually pop these in here for now though. Don't want him to obviously spot them before the video. So right, let's pop that back. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Let's get some podcasts on. Oh my god, it's bloody windy. What I didn't mention about this is that Freeze Cakes or Please actually sent me some vouchers to get the new Freeze Cakes. And they also sent me a location for my nearest co-op branch which actually stocks them. And I didn't even know this existed. Like, it's only like 10 minutes down the road. But it's, as you can see, it's obviously part of like a new build or whatever. And yeah, it's just like a fairly sizable co-op here that I never knew existed in sort of like a brand new area. This little village called Haddenham. Let's go inside and see if they got it. Yay, they've got them. That's embarrassing, I just went to grab the handle. Oh, they got both of them, that's good. Brilliant. Wow, it's weird seeing like a small brand that you followed for a long time and then seeing them like in the supermarket. Right, let's grab them and then we'll go. Okay, so
my opinion is that I think the funniest thing is the Labour
So guys, Bruce has arrived. Dad? You right, Dad?
Yes.
How's it going?
Have you taken it yet?
No, it's recording. It's a video, Dad.
Oh, looks.
Yeah, looks.
I hope I haven't said anything awful.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Give it time.
I knew you'd say
Give
that.
it time. So yeah, we've now back from the supermarket. Had a bit of a shambles with this. Co-op didn't actually accept the vouchers, so I'm £10 up the Swanee. But yeah, I bought the products. Like, happy to support them. So, but even so, we'll message the company.
Well, it's irritating, isn't it, when you don't get what you should do?
Yeah, it's a bit annoying because I mean, I did. It was like a half-hour round trip to get out there, so it's not like it was a local one.
Which was it?
It was a co-op that I've never been to actually. I didn't even know it existed, to be honest.
A bit of a strange outfit. I personally don't think the co-op in England has much to write home about.
They have it in Italy, do they?
Well, the one in Italy is the one I go to.
Oh, okay.
Always. Yeah. They're very good. Now, having said that, what was it yesterday? I wanted something from the co-op, which is just around the corner from where my digs are. And they were quite helpful.
Oh, that's good.
They have very strange things, so because I buy takeaways quite a lot when I'm away, and
what's your favourite takeaway?
My favourite takeaway, probably Chinese.
Oh, okay.
And they have a little boy who is about 4 years old.
Hopefully I'll be able to put
if I go in there for my fried rice, he said, I'm sorry, do you want dry or wet?
Oh yeah.
And then he said, the man here, he want dry. His father comes out and they sort of laugh because he's so sort of bold and
yeah,
that's quite funny.
Sprightly. There's a character like that in Euphoria, a show that I watch, where there's a guy that's basically a drug dealer gangster, but I think he's about eight or 9.
The Indian one is funny as well because I think it's wrong because there's a little child who's sort of playing in the shop. It must be deadly boring with just being there and people are ordering takeaways all the time.
Yeah, it's not ideal. Oh well, learning good math skills, I suppose, and business maybe.
Well, that's
on the lighter
I don't
positive,
know how much people do mental arithmetic. I mean, it's one thing that I can't do now.
Can't say mental these days, and that's another thing you can't say is mental. Good. So yeah, dinner's in the oven. We're going to go and do a couple of reviews now, Dad.
Yes, right.
So this will be interesting.
I don't need my tea, do I?
Unless you want it. You can have another one if you want.
No, one's enough.
Yeah, one's enough.
Oh well, no, this looks nice.
I've actually remembered to actually record dinner for once. Claire's arrived home now, so we're having a nice meal. Everyone, please enjoy. Yeah, presentation-wise, it's not the best, but yeah, it should be alright.
That's all right.
So that was a lovely evening with Dad. I think I pretty much forgot to film anything else. We dropped him off at the train station. It's quite early actually. We dropped him off quite early, so I'm actually editing one of the videos that we filmed together, so that'll be a very entertaining video, I think. Don't know what should I do with this vlog actually. I probably will, just to round it out nicely. Here we go. Can I commit to showing 2 meals in this video, excuse me, and not forget to film either? Because obviously I didn't forget to film dinner. By the way, that was really nice. We've got a salmon side from Ocado. I don't know if it was M&S or Ocado, but obviously because there was 3 of us, I got a larger piece of salmon, so I got a salmon side. It was really, really nice, cooked in the oven. I mean, their cooking times are ridiculous. I think a lot of supermarkets sort of recommend higher cooking times for fish than you obviously need to do. Quality of fish in this country and just in general in modern society, you know, they're typically chilled or frozen or whatever so early that they're all fresh, it's all fine. So really, like, basically Jamie Oliver said you don't need to worry about cooking fish. Sort of just eat it all raw, to be honest. Anyway, it says cook it for 40 minutes. Well, that would have been dry as anything. I did it for 25 and it was, honestly, probably marginally over. But it was nice, it was moist. It was nice and moist. It was just slightly orange, cooked through, but just marginally, like, pink. But yeah, it was very nice. Yeah, should I commit to honestly, like my dad, getting completely sidetracked. Should I commit to filming a second meal to round this out, to round this vlog out? If I put the camera on the armchair, I'll probably remember. On the arm of the sofa, I mean. Because we're having McDonald's tonight. Again, more food review stuff. We're doing their new burger, which is basically their first promotional burger in like 4 months, third of a year or something. It's the steakhouse stack with a peppercorn sauce. New Foods UK has tried it, he exclusively tried it early, and really liked it. So yeah, I'm expecting good things, to be fair. It does sound like a really nice burger. So I will put that footage in here, and then this will be this vlog, because I'll probably film a vlog from Saturday as well, which I think I've already mentioned. I'm so excited. We're going to the Lego store for opening. Lots of early starts this week. It'd be nice to have 4 days off next week with some less early starts. Yeah, we're going to Milton Keynes Lego store for the opening to get Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 sets. Super excited. We're also doing other shopping as well and getting like a nice meal, slim chickens and stuff. So yeah, super exciting times coming on this channel. Did I mention, I'm sure I did in an earlier clip, did I mention we booked our main holiday this year? I probably did, so that reaction is just stupid, but yeah, anyway, right. Say Claire. I'm such a fucking dick, it's unreal.
What?
Oh my god. I literally made a big deal about how is this going to be the first time I ever remember to film dinner twice. I remembered yesterday. Absolute I cannot believe I've done that, Claire.
What did you left?
There's a... Oh, thank Christ for that. Here's dinner.
Bit of lettuce.
You got some lettuce as well? There we go, here's dinner, guys. We've got McDonald's.
Is that it?
That's it. So yeah, we've got, we ordered one mozzarella dipper and some lettuce. Nah, good. Yeah, can really only apologise. I can't apologise enough. Is that going to draw this vlog to a close? I think it probably will, Claire, to be honest. This crushing, bitter disappointment. This vlog is just like life. Crushing, bitter disappointment.
Yep.
I'm sorry that you didn't get to see McDonald's. Google it. Yeah, actually Google it, because it will look better than my burger did. It actually have sauce on for a start. But yeah, no, thank you for watching. The next video is probably going to do a vlog on Saturday, Claire, but do you like me doing vlogs?
Not allowed to film in the new bit.
Waiting that little thing like rules stop us, hey Claire? Well, no, I will. Yeah, I mean, usually, yeah. But yeah, it should be good. We're going to go to Milton Keynes, buy Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 Lego, which I'm very excited for. Do a spot of shopping at Asda and a few other little bits, aren't we? Having Slim Chicken. Maybe, Claire, maybe I'll remember to film Slim Chickens for them. I can't promise it.
It was loud in there last time.
It was deafening. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. We'll see you next time.